Welcome, today in front of me Poco C40 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box here. The first thing which we can see that is the SIM eject tool. Also we can find here the quick start guide, the safety guide and the warranty cards. So some paperwork here. Also we can find here the charger brick, the original Xiaomi charger brick with all of the specs, so you can check them, and the USB Type-C cable. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our Poco device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.